Hi, this is Ken. How's everything going? Finally, we have another kata that is labeled at 6, Q. The question is very interesting. It's called find the odd int. The description is giving an array of integers, find the one that appears an odd number of times, and there will always be only one integer that appears an odd number of times. So as we can see from the examples given down below, so 7 obviously is the only element in the given list, and it is the only one that appears the odd time, which is 1. And also the second example, which is 0. So in the third one, so 2 is the one that appears one time, so that should be returned. And the fourth one is 0, which appears 3 times in the list. I think this question is quite straightforward, so let's give it a try. Intuitively, what we can do is find all the unique elements in the given list. So here the list is sick, so we can use set to get the unique items in the given list, sick, and then we can loop through in the list, in the unique list, and then we can use the built-in function of list to find how many times that element appears in the list. That function is count, so we can say, okay, sec.count of I. If that happens as an odd number, then we can directly return this number. So let's give it a try. Cool. I think we got the right answer as a first try. But I would like to propose another possible solution of this question. So let's first comment all the codes out. We can think about like this. For a given list, we can group them together by each element. After grouping the elements, we can easily tell how many times that element appears in the list. So how can I do it? In the iter_tools module, which is a built-in module, or we can say that it's a standard module, there is a function called group by. Let's import it. If we do it like this, it should be group by. I had a typo. If we do this, we can say we use k as an element to represent the element, and v as the actual list of the element that happens in the original list. And then we can say if that element happens in the list is an odd number, then we can directly return v. The tricky part here is group by can work properly on a sorted list. So if we don't have this sorted before using group by, then the result won't be satisfied. Let's give it a try of this new code. I think I made a mistake here. There should be k. There's another error. This is an iteration instead of a list, so it doesn't support len function. Let's first convert it into a list and then use len to get the number of the element here in the list. I think this time we will get it right. Cool. See, for this question, we have two solutions. One is very intuitive. We just get all the unique items of the given list and then loop them through one by one and then find out how many times of each item is in the list and then return it if it's an odd number. This second method is a little bit tricky and requires a little bit more understanding of the standard module, especially the iter_tools. What it does is similar to the previous one, but is a different way because it groups elements at first and then giving you each grouped element one by one. But in essence, it's the same idea. So let's submit and head to the next question.